everyone. Many of us, especially Asian, like chicken feet. If you are one who can get over the idea of chicken feet, then come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my video and subscribe. Thank you. So if you want a written recipe, it's in the description box below. I have 500 gram chicken feet bought from supermarket. When I got home, I put in salt and lemon juice to soak for 10 minutes, and then now I prepare the blanching liquid. I need to go through many troubles like that to make sure there are no animal smells whatsoever. So in the pot with water, I have salt and vinegar and a bunch of lemongrass leaves, lemon zest, lemon leaves, and some ginger slice. When it comes to the boil, I blanch the chicken feet for 3 to 5 minutes. Remember, this is only blanching process. When it's like this, that means on the animal smell go into the water, you dump the water and remove on the chicken feet. And now we start cooking. In this pot with water, I have a bunch of lemongrass leaves, 3 white part of green onion, few lemon leaves, garlic, a quarter of onions, you can use yellow or white, and a few like 4 or 5 whole black peppercorns. This is for the bonus. I have some culantro here, so I put in together, but it's optional. The culantro smell, it can help to conquer the animal smell, chicken smell. When the water comes to the boil, I drop the fish in and cook for about 10 minutes and remove, and immediately I dump into the ice cold water. This process will help make chicken feet crunchy and good. Then I back it up and put in the freezer to wait for my soaking brine that we are preparing right now. 1 liter of water, 10 tablespoons of sugar, some salt, like a half a teaspoon salt, 10 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 10 tablespoons of vinegar. I use homemade vinegar. If you want to know how to make vinegar at home, you can head to my channel and find the homemade vinegar made from banana and wine. If you use commercial vinegar, please make sure that it's not too overpowering. So I let my mixture cook. Just need cook a few minutes to make it clear and mingle together. Now this is the all the ingredients will go into the second liquid. Garlic, lemongrass. So I use 3 from the 10 to bruise, and then I will shred them. The rest I will slice them. I like the two way like this so that when you look into the mix the bone, it will look nice. So this is I shred them, and then you will see how I slice them. This is my homegrown lemongrass, so I have a lot to spare. So I use only the tender part inside. I remove all outer tough leaves. You know that the chicken feet is very good, and they are a good source of collagen. If you want your skin smooth, no wrinkle, you don't need to buy Botox dangerously injected or something like that. You just eat chicken feet, and it's not only about collagen, it's about bones, and it helps prevent bone loss for people, for women especially. So that way, and it's good by the meat itself. We love chicken feet, and I have many way to prepare the chicken feet. I will put in the description box below for you to have a reference. I have chicken feet prepared by Chinese style, chicken feet prepared by Thai style. This one is Vietnamese. So I'm done with the garlic, lemongrass, ginger. Now I cut the chili. You can see I have a lot of chili, but all of them are not spicy. They are like Lady Bell, they like a giant Anaheim or something. Only the one in my hand right now is spicy, hot. So I use only 2 of these to flavor the whole bowl of soaken liquid. So it depends on your level of spiciness. You can add Thai chili, or you can add ghost pepper like me. But it's all up to you. You can try to experiment with one Thai but chili and then go from there. So now my soaken liquid is still warm. I don't let it too cool, because when it's still warm like this, when I add all the ingredients, it brings out the aroma. You can see the soaken liquid, the brine, it looks so good now. These two, you can see the 2 chili that I left on are ghost peppers, and they are extremely hot. So I just leave like that, and they were hot. And my level is this 2. Now the last component we need to go in is calomodin. Calomodin is another kind of lime. It's sweeter and the juice is yellow, just like orange, and it has darkness and sweetness at the same time. So it's very great in salad and do the fry like this. So you need to do about 8 of the calomodins for this recipe. You notice since the beginning until now I didn't remove the nails. I want my chicken feet intact. Now only when I soak them I remove the nail now, and then they go into the soaking brine, and that's it. We will eat from there. When you soak like this outside on the counter, it will be ready for 1 hour for you to eat. But I want the flavor intensify. I put in the fridge for a day overnight, and then the next day I eat. That's at that point the chicken feet already soaked on the goodness from the soaking brine liquid. I can go just sitting here and pick up one by one and never stop eating. That's so good. So I hope that I inspire you to make this for yourself. You will be glad you did, and you will thank me later. Very delicious and good for your body at the same time. If you have any question, please put in the description box below. I will answer them. And now I invite you to join me to enjoy this. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.